So I wanted to enjoy my life this year, and it was a huge mistake. It was a terrible way to live. I was always snapping into my bad habits, and maybe it was necessary for my growth and overall understanding of this. But I would save myself a month, if not a whole year, of my self improvement journey and of my growth, and I would be much, much further if I would understand that you can actually enjoy your life much more if you have, firstly, like a way to live that doesn't harm your future self, and secondly, a way to live that actually supercharges your future self. What it means is basically eliminate bad habits that will make you weak, miserable, pathetic, and that your future self won't be appreciating, and add habits and take actions and think of how you can actually improve your life, improve yourself, so that your future self will be grateful as hell for you. What I didn't realize is that fun is really relative. I was thinking like, yeah, I need to make this video on YouTube. It is like my highest ROI task, and it's really important for my purpose and stuff, but I wasn't actually making it. I didn't want to make it. And I was trying different business models, especially at the beginning of the year. But when I settled to YouTube, I was still making really shallow progress, because I was having like this little snap into 20 minutes of Minecraft Let's Play from Loloshka that I was watching like for 2 years. And a bit of a spoiler, this 20-minute habit of watching daily uploads of a Minecraft YouTuber actually was the thing that was holding me back, and it was so hard for me to trace it and to eliminate it, because I didn't even really clarify and understood that it existed and it interfered with actually my most important work, which was like YouTube at the time. And I was really afraid. I was having this limiting belief of being full-time on monk mode, on self-improvement, on dopamine detox, whatever you want to call it. I was thinking like, man, this dopamine detox is kind of nice, yeah, but monk mode was always seemed like a bit of a bullshit to me, like, because there was like 10 minutes of meditation, 30 minutes of reading, and like exercise 3 times a day, do 10 push-ups, and I don't know, 1 hour of deep work. I was doing it already anyways, but those few hours of my unproductive lifestyle actually ruined my whole life for a year, I would say. I still made some progress, but if I were a bit more brave, if society wouldn't fail me to be so low dick energy, to be honest, I would go fucking monk mode. I would study for hours, like right now. I study for 10 hours. I learn not stupid education system. I'm talking about self-improvement. I'm talking about 3 hours of reading, 3 hours of like courses that I watch. It's on body, like aesthetic body, and I don't know, Hustlers University, and other on YouTube, on business making, on social skills, on self-improvement. And I'm having so much fun, because I still do this like 3 hours blog, and probably even more sometimes, of YouTube production, yeah, which is kind of nice. From 4-hour work week book, I cut down my activities to essentially just scripting and recording and like really shallow title and thumbnail, and you will, I think, see this in my future videos. So yeah, I'm kind of excited about this new YouTube lifestyle and about this monk mode. And truly, what I didn't realize is that when you have this crazy lifestyle, when you challenge yourself really hard, that's where you get the most fun. I can definitely say for my 70 years, like now it's 18th year of my life, I haven't experienced any more fun than challenging myself and truly changing my beliefs, changing my life perception, and truly growing as hell. I feel like it's been a month. It's 5th day of monk mode. I'm gonna go for it for a few years, of course, with some breaks, like once in a month or something. But it's so much fun that I wish someone would told me, bro, you're doing shit. Go full-time self-improvement. Don't limit yourself to just a few hours of learning, a few hours of YouTube. Learning is actually your highest ROI. You remember that feeling when you started self-improvement? I think everybody has it, or at least had, that you learned so much in just a few days that your mind was just, wow, that is the new way to live. How I could not know this before. And that was definitely when I discovered like self-improvement videos. That's the starting point. Basically a year ago, a bit more than a year ago, I was trying to watch some content on English language because it's not my first language. You can probably tell from my stupid pronunciation of th sound, because something, I don't know, I'm gonna fix that, bro. It's terrible. But anyways, I want to keep this concise and short. It's 6 minutes. My goal is to record like for 15-30 minutes, but I'm given this value in so concise form that it's truly hard to make it long form videos, but I'll try to pump even more value into it just so you can change your life from every piece of content from me. And yeah, I wrote a great quote. Yeah, and I want to read it to you when I was actually scripting this video a bit. Challenging yourself as a man is the greatest pleasure I've known in my life. I'm not sure if it's a really great quote, but I want to tell that challenging yourself is just awesome. You know, when you don't feel like hitting workouts or hitting cold showers, and you still do them, or you don't feel like working or studying, and you still do them, it's always the greatest, the highest quality feeling that you take control. You get your intelligent part to the wheel, to the steering wheel of your car, called life or something that's philosophical like that. I just feel amazing, bro. I see like my mental health a bit declining, so I know I need to learn a few hours a day about my mental health. I need to meditate more, I need to journal more. It's just awesome, making so much progress in so less time. Improve.